It is very interesting that 10 years ago, so I was selling Kongsberg C64 to you together with Jim, while at that time I was China GM of ESCO, and Jim was key account manager of ESCO. But now, so I'm selling JWEI's SL3232 to you again, and I'm JWEI's CEO. Jim has become JWEI's key account manager. So no changes to me. If compared to 10 years ago, what is the biggest change to EYEMOVE?
We should say our boundaries have expanded. We have a complete industrial chain and robust capabilities to handle multi-category and full category production.
How important is digital finishing to EYEMOVE's business? Are you happy with this one? JWEI's SL3232?
In the past, manually cutting thousands of square meters of 5mm PVC foam boards was inefficient and labor-intensive. Accuracy was another issue. Achieving millimeter-level precision by hand was nearly impossible. Workplace injuries were also frequent. In our industry, we are very picky. JWEI pioneered QR code scan and cut technology, which automates file shifts, reduces operator skill requirements, and significantly boosts efficiency. This solution must be very competitive if endorsed by us.
As the founder and owner of EYEMOVE, have you had any concern that any disruptive technology or the trend of the market that will overnight destroy, ruin your industry?
I believe you should go ahead with full speed. Only through continuous innovation can you avoid being left behind by the times. If your direction is right and your efforts are sufficient, success will follow. In the entire industrial chain, what is JWEI's core competitiveness?
JWEI's core competitiveness is the first, innovation. We invest about 11% of annual revenue into R&D. The second, customer success strategy. We help customers improve equipment efficiency, save materials usage, and energy consumption. We let customers use it well rather than have it workable.